Good morning, guys. Very early morning. But you know what I just realized? The R8's getting shipped to Tennessee right now. The Corvette's getting cammed right now. So all I'm left with are the BMWs. Back to the BMW, Nick. We got the G80 M3 right here. We got the F80 M3 over there. And then we got the E92 M3 upstairs. But yeah, we back with just BMWs. We went from 5 cars back down to 3 cars now. Oh, but yes, it's way too early. I think the sun's barely coming up. Uh-oh. We might have brought the wrong car today, guys. It's freaking raining out, and I have the Mickey Thompsons on the G80. Not a good combination. The other day, I did drive this car in the rain. It started raining on me on the freeway, and bro, I swear I felt the car getting sideways a little bit. Rear-wheel drive, Mickey Thompsons, rain, almost 800 horsepower. That is not a good combo. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get worse than this. We're going to a little Cars and Coffee real quick. Then I'm gonna try to rush back, get a haircut real quick. And then I'm gonna go buy some new tires for the E92 because we got the new wheels in the mill. I think I told you guys, but I ordered some wheels for the E92 and they already got here. So today, after this car meet, after my haircut, we're gonna go buy some tires for it and then hopefully test the new wheels on the E92 and hopefully they fit. These wheels are super sick, super clean. Hopefully you guys like them. Again, it's one of those things you guys just gotta trust the process and trust my vision with this car. It's not gonna look like much because the wrap's still clapped out and the car looks a little beat up still. But it will be our very first mod with the new E92 series. All right, this is the squad today. We got my G80, which looks freaking sick with this weather actually. Damn, I really haven't driven this car with the new wrap much, but this thing looks mean. Woohoo! And then we got my boy's G80, which, bro, me and him got lucky the other day. I mean, he didn't get so lucky, but let's just say there was a cop behind us and yeah, he got unlucky, I got lucky. We got my boy Mark with his F80 single turbo. Then we got Kevin in the M4, which I think that's the first time he's taking this thing out in a long time. Yeah, we got the Beamer squad out. See, aren't you guys happy? The Corvette's gone, the R8's gone. I know there's some people that are happy right now that I'm back in the BMWs. Back to the BMW content. It is kind of sad though. I miss the Vet and I miss my R8. Those are like my 2 favorite cars right now. And those calipers are freaking bright today. You know what I wish? I could paint these little blue things in the headlights. I wish I could paint those Tiffany. That would be perfect. Because I feel like the blue and the Tiffany kind of don't go well. My boy's always cleaning his car.
Oh, it's fucking raining this morning.
I know. You gotta just embrace it at this point. Dang, you got 2 of them? I'm about to take one.
And then I held
TEs? Oh, they're not TEs, bro. I thought they were TEs. TE reps. They look good though.
FEs.
FEs? E36 on some BBS's. This is a 4-door though. I had the 2-door, but 4-door's kind of sick. Damn, that interior is crazy. This is super clean, bro. Mine was like this. Like, I swear my dash was super mint like this. The seats too. And yeah, I mean, I saw it recently and it's not in the best condition, bro. What's with all the cars that I sell? I sold the E92, it got clapped out. I sold the E36, it got even worse. The E36 looks like someone was like dancing on the roof, bro. The whole roof is like caved in. R33?
I'm going to Japan, bro.
Yeah, you are, bro. We're all going.
15, bro. I'm
I'm not the biggest fan of R33s. I really like the R32 and obviously the R34, but that one is clean. Yeah, talking about Japan. I booked the flight, guys. We are going again to Japan in January. In a few months, right? October, November, December, January, 4 months. We'll be in Japan again. And we're about to see a lot of those cars. Maybe this year, we'll go car shopping out there. I said it last year, but we didn't have a time to do it. But maybe this year, we'll try to find a car in Japan. Because it'll be so cool to buy a car over there and then ship it over here. Find a car straight from Japan and bring it. That's what I've always wanted to do. So maybe this year, I got 4 months to stack up some bread and buy a JDM car. Chris Borges. We're about to see Chris next week at GAT. I'll probably see a lot of these in GAT too. You guys know that was gonna be my first car? I wanted a Rocket Bunny one. S15, but also there's a freaking R8 here. He got the same wing, same diffuser as me, and he also has the freaking carbon hood, bro. I know I've gotten so many questions about my carbon hood. This is the same exact hood actually too. Same vents and same aggressive arrow right here on the hood too. Same exact hood that I got And I know a lot of people have been asking, where is it at? Why have I not installed it? Loki just been sitting at the shop waiting to get installed. But as you guys know, I've just been so busy, and we shipped the car to Tennessee. I was trying to do it before then, but we didn't have time. But yeah, the hood looks sick. I just don't know if I'm gonna keep it fully exposed like this or wrap it the same color. We'll see. I'm thinking wrap it and like just keep these black. Maybe add like a little line of carbon fiber right there. I gotta keep it exposed for a bit though. Damn, that shit looks crazy with the hood. It looks way more modified. This dude got a crazy two-step, but he's probably not gonna do it right now. It's too early for that.
Hey, wake me up, bro.
But the two-step is crazy on his car.
I haven't had coffee.
Maybe he'll do it once. I don't
Dang,
know.
imagine rolling into a meat backwards. That's
Yeah, I'll put it
crazy.
in the What's up, G?
Damn, that shit does look hard. Boy, I've always wanted to do Ruby Star, but I feel like now it's getting played out. It kind of sucks. I'm about to do it on E92. Should I?
Do orange, bro.
I'll never do orange in my life.
Why do you hate me?
First off, E90 is hard. I feel like E90 M3s, you never see them. But also Ruby Star, and it's paint. It's not wrapped. It's actually paint. Yeah, that car looks sick. All right, so a lot of people have been asking, when's the next E92 video? Well, here we go, guys. The first mod today are the new wheels. It's funny, if you look inside, we got wheels on top of wheels on top of wheels, bro. We even have more wheels back here, and also another mod, I almost forgot, but this is also for the E92. You guys could probably guess maybe what's in this box. It's more smaller than the wheel boxes. But yes, we got new wheels. I told you I'm not wasting no time with this build, bro. Most importantly though, I needed wheels because these ones that are on right now, I'm not sure if it's like the wrong offsets or what. They're also fake BBSs and not real. I think the offsets are wrong, so they're hitting the bags on the inside. So they're not the correct wheel sizes. So in order to even drive the car and start taking it out more and start adding more mods to it, we gotta change out the wheels and tires. So that's what we did first. Group A, group, I think it's like a German word, but group wheels. I've seen these wheels before on my homie's Corvette actually. You guys might remember that black Z06 that we cruised with once? He actually had these wheels in like a silver and polished finish. After I saw those, I was like, bro, I need to get those wheels. But yeah, like I said, I did already take a sneak peek, but these are gonna look so good on that car. Also, they didn't have the correct colorway I wanted, but I think this color might look good. But it's always so fun unboxing wheels, bro. It's literally like Christmas for adults. Check this out. You guys ready to see them? Woo! You guys see that? I see some chrome or some polish. Sheesh. Guys, check these out. Might look very familiar to some other style wheel that you guys know. Very motorsport, very race inspired. They even got like the race pockets in here too. Bro, these are gonna look sick. This will be my first time seeing them next to the E92. Damn, they're wide. Hopefully they fit. So now we went from a 19 down to 18. I think these are 19s, but down to 18-inch wheels. I told you guys I want to go with that track inspired look. I want to put a wing on it. I want to put the fat tires, which we're gonna go pick up right now. They look very similar to 88s, but they're like literally a quarter of the price, bro. Fun fact, they are the same bolt pattern as my E92, as my F80, and my Corvette. So I could possibly run these on the Vet for a little bit, even throw these on the F80 for a little bit. Hear me out, that might be pretty sick on the F80. But mainly these are going on the E92. Again, this is not the finish that I originally wanted. I wanted silver face, polished lip. But honestly, I think we can make this work. It is pretty wide. Very wide for up front. I believe these are 10.5 all around. Hopefully they fit perfect. I hope so, because I really want to throw these on the car. It's gonna change the whole look. But yeah, these are freaking sick, dude. Damn, even on the G80 might look pretty cool, except the G80s, they changed the bolt pattern, but look at that. I think it will look cool in every car. Yeah, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Group Wheels. Forged wheels, fully forged, very lightweight, very strong. They're 18 by 10.5, super wide. The offset, I don't know, it's on the box, but obviously when we mount the tire on it, it's gonna look 10 times better too. This is why I love the G80, guys. It's just such a practical car. You know how many times I put wheels and tires in this thing? It's literally my daily driver. It's the fastest car in my fleet. It's comfortable, it's new. There's a reason why they're so popular, because they're just so practical, dude. Look at this, all the wheels fit perfectly, and we got more room for more. What other car for the money can you get with everything that the G80 gives? First off, it's a cheat code. They're so freaking fast, and it's so easy to make them fast. Look at the digital dash, the ambient lighting. I love the G80, I don't know. I recommend everyone to get a G80. All right, let's go to the tire shop. By the way, huge shout out to Tire Bullies. I get all my tires from my boy David. All right, we got the tires mounted. Again, huge shout out to my boy at Tire Bullies, but look how much better they look with tires. Damn, that's a meaty tire setup. It's actually the same exact tire and wheel size as the F80. So I'm telling you, we could low-key throw these on the F80 as well. I think these will look sick on it. We definitely gotta do it one day. We could also put the white TEs on the E92. That's another thing. And I did these Kenda tires, which honestly for the price, bro, you cannot beat it. I'm running these on the F80 and I got no complaints. And we've had a lot of fun with that car, if you guys know what I mean. There's been a lot of tire smoke from those tires and they're still good, bro. It's crazy. I really do hope these fit. Damn, they look sick with the tires on them. I don't even want to mount them, bro. I'm gonna put this in my living room. Have you guys seen those like wheels and they put like a glass table on top for like your living rooms? I want to do that. And shout out to my dad because my dad brought the jack and everything. We're gonna try to put them on. Hopefully they fit. But look how much better they look with the tires. I told you guys, bro, they look freaking crazy. I wasn't a big fan of the black faces, but now I think I kind of like it. Good thing this is on air because you don't got to worry about the jack fitting underneath or anything. This comes in clutch. Although we might be taking off the bags soon. Coilovers, I don't know why there's always a big wait. They said it could be like a month. But we are gonna change out the bags to coilovers. It's honestly gonna drive way better. And for the look that I'm going for that track look. It's gonna handle so much better too, like in the canyon. Goodbye fake BBSs. Also, who wants those? Let me know, guys. I got that to sell. I even have stock Corvette mufflers to get rid of. Those too, if anyone wants them. I know those are like, I know everyone wants those, the Corvette owners. I gotta do a stud conversion. These ones don't have a center cap. No. So like eventually I want to spray paint this black. Like I did with the F80 and it looks cleaner. Definitely gotta paint this. But what I'm scared of is the wheels are so wide that it might hit the inner bag right here, and it looks like it is, huh? My friend did tell me that you might run into that issue because the bags are kind of wide. Or add like a spacer maybe, but we can drop it and see, but it's gonna hit, huh? All right, we aired out the car a little bit. Damn, it looks crazy though, huh? It looks sick. All right, I'm not sure if it's rubbing. We'll have to like move the car obviously, but let's put the rest of the wheels on so we just get an idea how it looks. Yeah, rear could probably use like a little spacer too, but again, we will dial in the fitment later, guys. Mainly, I just wanted to throw them on to see how they look, also to see if they rub. I also gotta paint all this stuff, all the rust in there. I gotta get rid of that and get rid of these ugly freaking lug bolts that they put on. I don't know who did these, but they do not look good with these wheels. So don't think this is the final look, all right, guys? We're gonna do a stud conversion. We're gonna get rid of all this rust, paint it all black. It's gonna look so much better. Get the fitment dialed in, because you guys know I'm not driving around like that, bro, with that fitment. All my cars are fitted perfect, bro. Just go look at the R8 and the G80. Look at all the cars. Somehow, some way, we got this fitment perfect. Look at that. So yeah, don't think this is the final look, but look how crazy it looks. That was a lot of work. My back hurts. Should I try to slam it on the bags? I just don't know if it's gonna hit the coilover. I don't wanna mess it up. But we could drop it a little bit. Look, that's fully aired out. It does look pretty cool. But that's not how it's gonna look, guys. Again, we're gonna put on coilover, so it's not gonna be that low. This is that Tay Wavy fitment. Nah, that's hella low, bro. Oh my God. Again, you gotta just trust the process. I know the car's still kind of clapped out, the wrap, the headlights, all that good stuff, but just trust the vision, bro. This car's gonna come out so good when it's done. It already looks so much better than like the day one we got it. You guys remember how bad it looked? Look how much better it looks. Can't wait to get the fitment dialed in. It's really trash right now. Look at that. It feels so crazy to just rebuild my old car, bro. It's like I'm doing it all over again. Like this is my first ever build. My first time ever wrapping a car was this. My first time ever modifying a car was this. My first ever exhaust was on this car. And it's just crazy to be doing the whole build again, dude. The whole rebuild series. Huge shout out to Group Wheels. These are sick. If you guys want them, check them out. They have a bunch of different colorways. They even have a gold face polish lip finish. I was thinking about doing that. I really wanted the silver face polish lip, but it was just out of stock. These are like high demand right now. Black's not bad. We'll see. If I don't end up liking them later with the new wrap color I'm gonna do, if I don't like the black face, I'll probably just repowder coat them to silver and a polish lip or something. Or all chromed out would look fire too. Trying to test drive it real quick. Make sure it's not rubbing. I don't feel any rubbing. I know you gotta be careful with the front, like being really close to the strut, but I think we might be good. I think. Damn, I can't believe we already got wheels on it. It looks crazy. Dude, I'm so hyped. I promise if this thing had a lip on it, you guys would love this car even more. I know I would too. You wanna know another crazy thing? This was the OG Quiet M3 plate. This is where it originated from. This plate was on there. And then when I sold the car, I took it off and put it on my G80. Actually, I put it on my old F80. Then I put it on the G80. So it's been on all my M3s. All right, we got bad news, guys. It is rubbing. Okay, so I was about to take it on its first test drive. I drove it right there to film it, as you guys saw. Then I backed it up and I heard it rubbing. And I felt like my steering wheel shaking too. And the same thing that happened to my F80 happened to this, guys. The wheel on the backside, the back of the rim is hitting the strut. I filmed the video on my phone so you guys could see, so I'll throw it on the screen right here. But as you guys can see, it's hitting the wheel and the whole back of the rim is getting cooked, bro. The whole back of the wheel is curved. My brand new freaking wheels, bro. All it needs is like this much, bro. Like a little 3mm spacer would probably be perfect. It just needs a little bit of clearance and we'll be good. Damn it, I was really excited to drive the car, dude, with the freaking wheels. Now we gotta wait. I really wanted to just take it outside in the daylight so we can get some cool photos of the new wheels, but it's not gonna work. I did ask some homies, I hit up everyone I know. I was like, does anyone have a 3mm spacer? Just something I could just drive the car with. I think Daniel has some, so I might go pick some up later tonight, but we decided to stop by this meet. So yeah, we're here about to get some content just to finish this vlog up for you guys. Get some extra content. Damn, all chrome? My boy. Sheesh. Same color as my R8 on an F80. We're about the GTR out? Wide body? Oh shoot, rich. Damn, that's a perf too. Big baller. You like that, huh? Wow. That's a dream freaking daily. No, this looks like Ray Supra a little bit. That color's hard, bro.
We gotta get the
Damn.
this one.
I know, bro. I like that color a lot. This freaking truck is huge. What's up?
It's insane, dog.
Bro, that shit's huge.
We're gonna film some crazy OnlyFans content
Inside?
Oh yeah.
Dude. Alright, the music is ridiculously loud, but check out all these Porsches. They got like every color. Sick ass food. F15, R8, 720, another McLaren. It's really loud, bro. I can't even film. Damn, look at this Tiffany interior. On the Ferrari, he got the Tiffany & Co. basketball. This is crazy. Damn, is this full carbon? I don't know what that is. It's like glitter carbon. Xavier Wolf pulled up in the F80 boys. And then we got this colorful fruity car for Kevin. Huh? Fruity car for you. Fruity boy.
Hey, that shit ain't loud.
I filmed this car way too much, but that 2JZ. Hey, that's you! 2JZ spot. Big old turbo. Turbo's huge.
Sound like that.
So loud.
Sheesh.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.